Meet realme's quad camera powerhouse, the Realme XT. The Realme XT is the world's first ever smartphone to feature a 64-megapixel quad camera setup. It's composed of a 64-megapixel main camera with a Samsung G1 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth lens. The front shooter, on the other hand, has a 16-megapixel Sony IMX471 sensor. Out of the box, the XT unit comes bundled with a silicone case, a charger, and a Type-C cable. Sadly, despite having a dedicated port, the package does not include a pair of earphones. The Realme XT has a premium look thanks to the 3D curved glass design that reflects light in a hyperbolic shape. It gives off a sense of fluid motion, making it look more eye-catching and visually appealing. The Realme XT is available in two stunning colors, pearl blue and pearl white. It has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a dewdrop notch and a 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution. It has a decent pixel density of around 400 ppi, which means images come out looking fairly crisp. The display is bright and can reach up to more than 400 nits, so even under direct sunlight, colors come out vibrant with deep blacks and fairly rich tones. Charging is a breeze. It supports VOOC 3 flash charging that helps the battery go from 0 to 50 in 30 minutes. Under the hood, the Realme XT is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset paired with an Adreno 616 GPU. It runs on Android 9 Pie with ColorOS 6 on top. You can get your hands on the new Realme XT for only 16,990 pesos.